in this video, I'm going to quickly go through all the trades that I had taken in the past 2 weeks. So in the previous video, as I mentioned, I was holding BAIL and HDFC Life, right? So please make sure to watch that video so that you understand what I'm going to say. Basically, I closed the trade only this week. HDFC Life. It is quite a huge trade that I had taken recently. Like I had to hold this stock for like what 2 weeks for sure. This is the entry, right? Where this is the entry. This small red candle is where I entered, and I have been holding it. And I also mentioned in the previous video that once this is broken, it will test this line, correct? So I bought HDFC Life Insurance here last Friday, this green candle, and I've been holding this this entire week. I'm still holding it, and I hope this will be broken. Let me go to 1 hour time frame and adjust that. Okay, I'm just waiting to this line. I'm just waiting for this line to be broken, and once this is broken, I think it can go up further. So I'm still holding it. I think it's in a profit of 13,000 or something, 12,000 or something, and so which is what has happened. This was broken, and I closed it here actually. So I closed it here. Okay, and I bought one lot again the next day and another lot here the next day. I have been holding it for the last 2 weeks, and this is where I closed it. I closed it at, wait, let me just go through. This is where I closed it. Okay, this candle. This is where I closed it. I didn't close at the top. It's not possible to get the top, but it is good. I mean, I'm happy because the entry is kind of at the bottom only, right? So this is where I entered. This is where I entered, and it was kind of testing my patience because meanwhile when I was holding this trade, I had to miss many stocks because only if you hold on to your profits for a longer period of time, you're going to be very successful in this field. That is the only key difference. So you have to stick on to your profits for as much as possible. Okay, so if you notice my risk reward ratio, I closed it somewhere around here, let's say. Okay, 1:5. My stop loss was a little bit below this huge green candle. Okay, almost 1:5 I can say. My risk reward ratio is, which is really good. So if I could just stick on to the trades like this entire year, I would be in such a huge profits, and I would be make really good returns. So whenever I lose little, and whenever I make money, I make huge. That is the key difference, guys. So BAIL, if you look at the previous video, I would have, so just make sure to watch that video and then come back to this video. Okay, so I would have entered here. I had entered here, and I closed it here with 9,000 rupees profits actually, mainly because I had to take 2 intraday trades on June 23, I guess. I took a trade in LT, which I'm going to explain you why. And okay, so I just had to close this, and I missed this move, to be honest, but I made money in the other 2 stocks, which is LT. That was basically an intraday trade, June 23. So this is the day I traded. Okay, I made 10,000 rupees in this move. Okay, this is the day I made 10,000, and other one is Bata India, I guess. Okay, let me just delete these so that you get to see what. I'll delete these. Okay, so I entered, let me just, that was a intraday trade. This one. I entered here. I know many of the people would not enter here. I'm very sure. But I entered here with a very small stop loss. Okay, and I am not really sure about the entry exit, guys, because it's been like 1.5 weeks since I took this. But I just know that I took the trade here and closed it on the same day. This is like 10,000 rupees profit again. So on last week, the total profit was 54,000. I closed HDFC Life, I closed BAIL, closed Bata India, and ALT. So last week it was 50,000 rupees profit. Okay, and this week and after the 23rd, as I mentioned, I re-entered, right? On 24th, I re-entered on HDFC Life. The other trade is, the other two trades that I had taken this week is HCL Tech. You won't believe my entry. I entered here at the red candle. I mean, 70% of the people would not enter here for sure. But I entered here thinking that because this line has been respecting, these trades are entirely based on the experience, guys. So these are like sometimes you know that gut feeling, right? So these are those trades. The main reason is this. Of course, there is a logical reason behind it, but the confidence that I had to get into this trade is because of the experience. Okay, so I entered here exactly here. Okay, this green candle, not this huge green candle, this small green candle. Okay, and the next day it shot up. I closed it right away here. I didn't even wait for the no this to hit the trend line. Yes, I could have hold it, but I already made 1:2 or 1:3 because my stop loss again was very small like this, and I closed here with 15,000 rupees profit. 1:2 or 2.3, which is again a really good risk reward ratio. And HCL Tech is done. The other thing is Century Techs. Regarding Century Techs, I wouldn't say I entered at the right point. Okay, so this is the pattern, and this I entered mainly because of this bullish engulfing, right? This green candle has engulfed the previous red candle after the fall, right? Along this support line, not exactly the support line, right along the support line. So that gave me the confidence to enter. My entry was really bad actually. So I entered just right at the morning. I wouldn't say this is a great entry. I could have waited for some more time. If I got an entry like this, I would have made another 10 to 15k. But this wasn't a great trade for me because of my wrong entry. Okay, I should have waited for a retrace. So what I did is I just closed it with 3,000 rupees profit here exactly. Okay, right after this, and so this week I made a profit of including HDFC Life, HCL Tech, and the Century Techs. I think it's like 90 1 lakh, around 1 lakh. I'm not sure. I will just calculate it. More than 1 lakh. So yeah, I'm just happy. The key point here is that just sticking to few stocks and making money out of it. Many people tend to jump between one stocks to two stocks to three stocks, which is not required at all. You can make money just holding on to few stocks. And just like I mean, HDFC Life is a perfect example, right? So there were like literally many stocks where you could have made money last week or in the past 2 weeks, because it has been a really good week for me personally, for us personally. So if you have any doubts, let me know. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and also like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much.